Small washer, big washer, pipe. This video is to show how to get your bushes out of an MX5 Wishbone to install new ones like this, all without using a bench press or bush removal tool or anything like that, just using common tools. Hope it helps. This is all the equipment that you'll need to both remove and install bushes from MX5 Miata Wishbones. So you'll need an impact wrench, but you can also use just regular spanners or a ratchet. Threaded bar that's 200 mil in length. This will cover all the different sizes of bushes that there are on the MX5, and either double lock it on the end like this with two nuts, or else if you can get a bolt that is threaded all the way up. This one isn't threaded, so I had to use the threaded bar, or else use a threaded bar with a cap nut on the end. So along with that, you're going to need two sets of small washers, a nut, and a bigger washer that has to be at least 50 mil in diameter. So I didn't have anything that big, so I'm just using the piece of metal that I have, which is wider than 50 mil and has a hole in it. A piece of exhaust that I'll write all the specs for in the description. So this is used to extract the bush into when you're taking out the wishbone, but also for installation. So to get a bushing out of a wishbone, what we're going to use is threaded bar with two locking nuts on the end again, small washer, big washer, my pipe, washer, nut, like this. And what's going to happen is this bushing is going to go out into the pipe as it's all tightened up. Okay, so first off, this is the order which you're going to install everything in. So you've got the threaded bar that's going to go through the small washer, then into the large one, then into your pipe. Now I'm going to apply some lubrication at this point. It's just washing up liquid. Okay, now I'm going to put a spanner on this side, my impact wrench on this side, and now I'll tighten it up. You'll see the bush here will go into the bore. That's it done. I just have to loosen this off now. Some adjustment might need to be made. It's a little bit off center, so I'm just going to push it back in.